I think the craziest part about our story is that I wasn't even meant to attend Richard's workshop. The day before the workshop, we were all in San Diego at an event speaking together. I brought my daughter. We had a full plan to go and explore San Diego and Los Angeles. And then I learned that Richard was hosting this workshop the next day. And so just spontaneously, Haley and I decided we'd attend. And, you know, at that point in time in my life, I was very successful in my career, but I was not very successful in my love life. And I had decided that I really wanted to work on that area, and I really wanted to manifest and create, calling in my partner, my soulmate, if you will. And I didn't know what I was showing up to at his event. I knew it was some kind of cool work we'd be doing, but I didn't know I'd be working on my vision. And so, I mean, I still remember coming in this green dress and, you know, giving Richard this big hug and just being mesmerized by the way he taught the work, and really taking that work and implementing it and writing my vision for my soulmate. Never in a million years, never. If you had told me even that day that Richard was going to be my soulmate, I wouldn't have believed it. But I want to quickly read to you the vision I wrote. I crafted it that day, and then I, you know, manipulated it, massaged it, made it really my own. I read that vision every day. That vision was so emotionally charged for me and just so on point for what I wanted to attract into my life. And so I'm going to read it really quickly. And okay, so this is very private and personal. When I'm with my soulmate, I feel alive, excited, safe, trusting, connected, content, silly, happy, giddy, joyful, like nothing else matters, whole, complete, sexy, beautiful, strong, sensual, loving, kind, generous, playful, funny, secure, calm, my best, amazing, fresh, inspired, passionate, love, hopeful, as one, mesmerized, grounded, certain, clear, at peace. My soulmate compliments me and who I am and feeds the fire within himself for knowledge and growth as we are on a journey of our highest good together. He has a sparkle about him that is magical, and his soul is what wins my heart. His inner beauty speaks to me. I love his smile. It lights up my heart. When I see him, our eyes connect, and we both know. He is passionate about his work and loves people. He gives back to his community and the world. He is equally as ambitious as I am, and we push each other in a healthy way. He loves my work ethic and loves what I do, as I am also inspired by his work ethic. Together we focus on touching the masses and teaching people to love and honor themselves and each other. We share everything, our hearts, our souls, our innermost desires, our biggest fears and failures, our dreams and vision of the future. We thrive on life. He loves Haley and is an amazing role model to her. He has a parenting style that agrees with mine, and together we co-parent her and help shape her into an amazing woman. He has a strong family ethic, and no matter what, family comes first. We travel the world together, exploring and searching for our favorite places, creating memories as we go that will fuel our love and further bond our connection. He is kind, caring, gentle, gentlemanly. He opens my door and brings me flowers just because. He is confident and trusting, as well as trustworthy and supportive of my success. He loves me from my head to my toes. He massages me, kisses me, is overflowing with affection. Our passion is contagious. We light up a room when we enter, and together we are better than we are apart, although we each are secure and independent and comfortable on our own. He is spontaneous, and at the drop of a hat is willing to pack his bags and join me on an adventure. He likes cooking, and he gets excited knowing he can love me through sharing our passion of food. He has a clear mind. He thrives on life and all it has to offer. He finds humor in my crazy dancing. He lifts his hand to those in need. He knows how to show those he comes into contact with how to shine in their light. He makes me laugh very hard on a regular basis. He feeds my joy. He is my king and I his queen. He is here. He is waiting. He is ready to receive my love. I am here. I am waiting. I am ready to receive his love. Okay, every time I read that, I still get chills, I still get choked up. And the craziest part about that vision is that we did not know each other. I mean, we were acquaintances, but I did not know anything about Richard's life or who he was or the company he was involved. I knew nothing. I just knew what was important for me. And he fit into that vision perfectly. And it wasn't but, I think, 6 months from then until we fell madly in love. I actually hired him to be my coach. And so, you know, we began a professional relationship. And through that professional relationship, I just became more and more aware of who he is as a human. And that's where our love really bloomed. And so, you know, fast forward to today, my goodness, we've had the most extraordinary life. We've had the most extraordinary love story. We've traveled the world together. We have touched thousands of people's lives together. We have inspired others to become their best self and to really follow their dreams. And honestly, I manifested the exact person that I wanted to manifest through this work. And so I can't, holy moly, I cannot stress enough how powerful this work is and how powerful Richard's actual vision workshop, or Mach2 with your hair on fire, that course, how powerful it is. And so if you're, you know, looking or searching or wanting more or thinking like, is this all there is in life? I'm here to tell you that you absolutely have the power to call in anything you want. This is the abbreviated version. I don't have enough time to tell you all. If I did, I would sit here all day. If you have any questions, you're welcome to reach out to me personally. I hope this story inspires you. I hope it brings you a little joy. I hope it brings you some hope and some optimism about what's possible for you. And, you know, love is the most powerful thing on the planet. And I believe we all deserve a chance at love. So thank you for listening, and aloha from Hawaii.